Well, good day and greetings and welcome to Wednesday, January 25th, 2023. Out here in the yard in Syracuse, just parked the old Nissan Frontier. Walking over to the Bulldog. I'm still hooked up from the load I picked up yesterday because I am delivering that today. Gonna be rolling north up to Plattsburgh, New York. Sometimes I feel like I should just run for mayor of Plattsburgh because, I'm up there frequently enough, All right, it's time to get pre-tripped and roll out. Well, it's 20 after 7. Just arrived here in Plattsburgh. Went in and checked in, and now I gotta go back my trailer in. Made pretty good time this morning. So, the previous clip, I was rudely interrupted by one of those harassing telemarketers. I didn't answer the call, but still when the phone rings, it shuts off the camera. Backed in, up here in Plattsburgh, getting unloaded. They're hitting it pretty hard, moving right along. I should be done pretty soon. Made really good time rolling up here this morning. I had checked the weather radar before I rolled up here because there is a pending winter storm on its way up here. And there was a small snow band that was going between Malone and Plattsburgh, so I figured I'd run into some winter precipitation along the way. Thankfully I didn't. However, this afternoon the fun begins because apparently we got quite the storm heading our way that's going to bring quite the amount of winter precipitation accumulation, which is that's okay. I mean, I can handle it. If it gets too bad, I just shut down. I know when to pull off, and I take my time getting to places. I get there when I get there and make it happen one way or another. Oh, great. Bird seed. There's a lot of bird seed. Trail looks pretty good. Floor is a little messy. Apparently, we wanted to sweep up the bird seed. Bird seed is one of the worst things to sweep out of a trailer. Glitter, however, is much worse than bird seed. Alright, I gotta sweep this out and get rolling. Woo! It's a balmy 23 degrees Fahrenheit outside up here in Plattsburgh, New York. I'm out here on the other side of town from where I was previously. Just took care of the old drop and hook and blues. Picked up a load that's going to Canandaigua, New York, which I'm just going to take back to the yard in Syracuse.
Turn right on Lloyd Avenue, then take the third right.
And it's been a pretty decent day, minus the bird seed. I'm not a fan of bird seed, and I had to re-sweep that trailer out once I got here because all the bird seed that was in the cracks of the floor came out when I hit a couple bumps, and I had a re-sweep. And I'm sure it's going to have to be re-swept again. So. Bird seed and glitter. Not a fan of either one, sweeping them out of a trailer. On my way back to Syracuse. It's awful chilly to be riding a bicycle up there today. I wouldn't want to do it. 11B West. Looks like DOT set up in the snowplow turnaround heading eastbound. Yep, they got their signs out. They set up there once in a while. Doing good. Yeah, actually, I 81 south, coming up on the Pulaski exit. Got some winter precipitation in the air, so it looks like the fun of the next winter storm is finally appearing around here. So that'd be a good time. 81 south, coming up on the town of Hastings rest area, and the yellow lights are on. I'm telling you, if they're going to keep opening up this rest area for all these truck inspections, they should open up the rest area for public use, you'd think. You would think. Great. Snow's blowing pretty good. Hershey's ice cream. You're following a truckload of smiles. Oh, I could really go for a pint of chocolate ice cream. I'd like to thank the Trucker John show for that. Showing off his ice cream in his freezer the other day. Oh, I'm telling you, it's killing me. Not really, just kidding. Shut that off. That's annoying. As always, I just drive casual through here. They don't want to talk to me, I don't want to talk to them. It doesn't look like there's that much going on in here anyway. Alright, heading back towards the highway. I can see tomorrow's going to be fun. Is it spring yet? Even better, is it summer yet? 72 and sunny somewhere. Not here. Visibility's kind of going away. Great. And the fun has begun. Fun, it begins. South, just north of Syracuse, just went past Oneida Lake. That would put me just about into Cicero. Well, that just made my day. No better way to end your day than with a check engine fault and a check engine light. That's awesome. Oh, it's cold out there. It is cold outside. Winter is back. Awesome. Oh yeah, forgetting something here. What is it that I'm forgetting? Oh yeah. bestest sound that there is right there. So I am officially back in the 2016 Mack Pinnacle. The 2020 Mack Anthem that was in earlier today. Once again, is hit the check engine fault that it has going on is a issue with the EGR cooler, which was just replaced last week. So I dropped that off the Mack dealership and then caught a ride with another driver over to the Freightliner dealership. Picked up a Freightliner, which I brought back to the yard. It's a halfway decent truck. However, one, I'm not a huge fan of the Freight Shaker Crapscadia. And two, the inside was all sticky. It smelled like a wet dog and ass. And I'm not cleaning out another truck for somebody else. And this truck here, I had it for a little bit last week. So I'm a little more familiar with this truck than the one that I picked up. So swapped all my stuff over. Now I'm going to go home, get something to eat, and call it a day. Come back in tomorrow, and I'm rolling back north into the snowstorm, going up to Potsdam. So I'll catch y'all later. Y'all have a good one, eh? I'm out of here. Cheers.